Hi everyone, today, I will introduce the Multi Abutment System. The Multi Abutment is used to correct the prosthetic path of screw-retained implant restorations. The first benefit is the correction of the angulation between implants. As shown, it converts the internal connection to an external connection and features a conical design. As you can see in the image on the left, angle correction of up to 48 degrees can be achieved between multi-abutments. In the image on the right, when used together with a compatible angled abutment, the prosthetic path can be corrected by up to 78 degrees. The indications for using multi-abutments can generally be divided into three categories. The first is bridge cases when few teeth are missing. The second is partially edentulous cases, where multiple teeth are missing on one side. The third is fully edentulous cases involving complete tooth loss within the full arch. Now, let's move on to the second benefit. The multi-abutment allows for the creation of a natural gingival contour. Its curved and rounded design is advantageous for forming an ideal emergence profile. As shown in the image, the rounded contour also provides a favorable shape for minimizing pressure on the gingiva. The third benefit is convenient and fast placement at the planned position. As shown below, the hex driver is prefixed to the carrier holder. This serves as a guide for screw tightening, allowing the abutment to be positioned and secured easily within the oral cavity. Previously, additional time was required to position the hex driver intraorally. However, with the carrier holder, the hex driver can be pre-mounted extraorally, enabling faster and more convenient screw tightening by serving as a placement guide. In addition, the multi-abutment system offers a wide range of lineup options. The angulation and height can be selected in detail for customized application. The angled type is available in 17 degrees and 30 degrees options, with gingival heights ranging from 2.5 mm to 5 mm. The straight multi-abutment is available with gingival heights from 1 mm to 7 mm and features a 4.8 mm platform. Furthermore, additional prosthetic options are available using components compatible with the multi-abutment system, including cylinders or T-bases for multi-abutments. As shown below, the cylinder-shaped T-base allows fabrication of ER-type restorations, as well as screw-retained restorations as shown in the image on the right. That was all about multi-abutments. Thank you.